Hello, Africans. When we want to speak about the liberation of Africa, the freedom of Africa from these Western powers, there are some people that we're supposed to be involving. You see, the security apparatus of Africa is doing very, very bad. We are doing a very bad job. You know, Africa have a system where we have some security men that they have taken a fake oath, and they forgot that when you are protecting criminals like politicians, people you know that they stole things, that money that belongs to you and I, and you protect them with your siren and with your gun and with your lives, forgetting that they stole our life and they took oath to uphold and to speak and to defend the constitution of your whatever country you are, but they don't follow up the oath. And you that took an oath to defend your country and defend these criminals, you defend them with even your life. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know when the African military and all the apparatus of security will wake up. I know that fighting for good governance starts from them. You cannot be expecting the masses, and most of the time, if the masses want to raise up to fight these people, you guys are the one who will come to shoot them. It doesn't make any sense. I don't understand. I don't know if our military and police and whatever are cowards or what. We don't know. We don't know. You know that the oath you took is a fake oath. You know that, and I don't even understand why you still stand upon and defend that oath. That same oath you took is the same oath that the politician took, and they sit down, they steal, and you protect them. The number one evil people we are having in Africa today are the politicians. The people who, for some reasons we don't know, they sold us to the British or whatever, France or the Europeans. They sold, and they are still working with them till today. And you guys will sit down, defend them, and even they will use you. They use you as shields to protect them, their lives. And you guys sit down, voluntarily offers your life to defend people who don't care about you. It doesn't make sense. I don't know why. I don't know why. And I'm asking, I want to know why. Why are our African military and the security apparatus, why are they so coward? When will they wake up and understand that Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali didn't sit quiet and watch their politicians to continue to disrupt and turn their country into madness? It is high time that our military men must wake up. They must wake up. See, just look at what is happening in Nigeria today. Military men are being slaughtered like chicken. Chicken, when I mean chicken. And we are watching these things happen. Nobody is talking about them. Politicians don't even care. They actually go to party rather than going to a territory that military was on life. And the military still don't speak about it. They don't unite their ass, even if for once, and say no and stand against what is evil. Our own job is to come here and call you guys out. Nothing more. Thank you.